Our topic is blood bank management system and our tool is Asana. What is Asana? Asana is one of our leading project management software suggestions you could consider for improving task management. Asana is a universal solution for project and task management, which will automate some of your most cumbersome communication and collaboration tasks. Satisfied companies prize it for accuracy and time effectiveness, and are particularly satisfied by tracking tasks and discussing them real time. Once you have purchased Asana, you can forget about email. You are instantly notified over every change that may affect your project. Similar to other Asana reviews, our aim here is to help you gauge the product before you subscribe. Introduction. The online blood bank management system that is to be developed provides the details of the blood type, availability of blood types in the blood bank, locations where the blood bank situated, and donor details. The product provides the members with online blocking of blood bank available in the respective blood bank and the online bank management. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడి నుంచి చెప్పాలని ఓయ్. సరే. Abstract. The project consists of central repository containing various blood deposits available along with associated details. The details include blood type, storage area, and data of storage. The following details help in maintaining and monitoring the blood deposits. The project is an online system that allows checking whether required blood deposits of a particular group are available in the blood bank. Moreover, the system also has added features such as patient name and contacts. Blood banking and even need for certain blood group is posted on the website to find available donors for a blood emergency. The online system is developed on .NET platform and supported by a SQL database to store blood and user specific details. Now we move on to the case study of blood bank management system. The blood bank management system has been created with the purpose of replacing all paperwork done at blood bank. All aspects of blood banking, be it donor record management, component separation, blood search, cross matching, compatibility tests, patient management is completely managed by the software. The system bank is in variety and number of referrals made available for analysis, legal documentation, and insight. Project aim is to provide transparency in this field, make the person of obtaining blood from a blood bank free and corruption free, and make the system of blood bank management effectiveness. It includes blood bank, blood camp management, and repository, provides recording of details of camp beginning from allocation of staff, details of facilities available in the camp venue, automated report generation of camp details for submission to the government, donor management. The system allows automatic component data generation based on the component selected in the blood donor form. The system allows barcoded blood bag number entry. The system provides easy link for easy edit or adding details for various sections of the donor form. Donor test result management and adverse reaction. Data management provides literable selections for donor selections. Excel document of all reports. The result displayed in search is highly configurable. Blood components management. Automatic generation of components from form. The system automatically generates the component label required for printing when issuing the component. The system does not allow a unit to be issued to patients. It cross-match fails for the component. Patient management system capture the patient personal information as well as hospital where blood is required. The system allows for reversing a unit for 24 hours for a patient. The system allows for capturing transfusion reaction data. Key modules list. CCA multi-form used for creating donor form which required multi-step forms. Flags are used once with rules for creating relevant records automatically from donor records. Rules. Lots of rules. This software system was possibly due to rules. Node reference URL widget. Very hardly modules for improving accessibility. Content multigraph. Computed and dynamic fields. We have used computed field to store printable results to be displayed and print module apart from Sourcing completed states. Content profile used very basic for blood bank staff profile data. Custom modules. We have used a build of couple of custom modules for blood bank software, but none of them are generic enough for some community sharing. Now Teja will continue.
I am telling about the main features of Asana. Project task creation, project permission, search views, customized dashboards, focus mode, and individual task lists, subtask assignment, prioritization, custom calendar, email integration, notification and reminders, automated updates, tracking, setting priorities and due dates, HTML5 module site, integrations, customer support, multiple workspace, adding flowers, group discussions, tags and comments, events and meetings. And now I am telling about the main benefits. The main benefits of Asana: project segmentation and prioritization. Asana's focus mode is designed to let the company focus on productive tasks and execute such that don't support its strategy. Once projects are broken down to tasks and subtasks, even the simplest assignment is followed by a name and deadline, and its progress is tracked thanks to the Harvest integration. For each task, the user can upload a file either from the local device or from Dropbox, Google or Box. మళ్ళీ ఆడ నుంచి వద్దులేరు దాంట్లో సగం చేస్తాను స్టార్టా
Start.
As for permissions, the system's admin will be unable to manage them separately for each project. Customized dashboards. Asana offers highly customizable dashboards where progress can be followed for each task separately and which display the status of each participant. The dashboards can be used for group conversations too, as it is the first place where modification notifications appear. The dashboard can also be used for tracking leads, customer queries, and job applications. A communication portal. You will definitely like Asana Smart Inbox, where you can transfer all of your corporate communication without necessarily using third-party apps and services. Large enterprises appreciate the fact that important project communications is neatly stored, and there is no risk of missing updates as you probably would in heap, heaped email inbox. The portal keeps all users connected, allowing them to chat one to one and in groups and share files from their local devices or Google or Dropbox. Unique views. When it comes to views, Asana is one of the best choices you could possibly make. You get a prioritization list with automated notifications, which by the way can be browsed with a powerful search filter to locate the necessary files. Needless to say, it is you that will decide which are the most important and pending tasks, ideally choosing them from the outside Asana calendar. Secure storage. Asana understands that your projects and corporate conversations are sensitive corporate materials and complies with highest security standard to protect them. At the same time, it bends within your software instructions as it perfectly integrated and partnered with the platform and services and applications. Now onwards, Rashita will tell you.
We have created blood bank management system project in Asana tool. First, we have created the project name blood bank management system, and then we have added tasks to it. Um, These are the tasks that we have created: requirement specification, design database, homepage design, graphic design, modulation, integration, complete testing, documentation. And then we have created some subtasks under each task. Under requirement specification, we have created software requirements, application, regular client meeting, field visit, follow-up. In design database, we have created plan a design, implement a design. Under home page, implement design, plan a design. Under graphic design, plan design, implement design. Under modulation, complete the modulation. Under integration, plan the integration, complete the integration. Under complete testing, start the testing process, debugging, dummy documentary, quality test, real data set. And under documentation, complete the whole document. We have assigned each task to one of the team member. The assignees of the task can be seen in this column of all tasks. The feature of the Asana tool is we can filter all tasks that are incompleted tasks, completed tasks. For example, if documentation is not completed, and then we can filter it under incompleted task. We can see the documentation here. We have linked our Asana tool to the Instagram tool. In Instagram tool, we can see all the tasks here which we have added in Asana tool. The Instagram tool gives us the Gantt chart designs that for the task we added. It goes under the date from which it was started and from which it was ended. So you can refer to the Gantt charts and you can progress here. You can progress your project. Coming back to Asana tool, one of the main important feature is its customized calendar. In its calendar, you can see which tasks are assigned to which attendee, and you can see all the last dates and going on task. In the home screen, if you have any due of the task, you can watch here which of your submissions are due. You can filter each task into its subtask, and you can add description to the project. The completed subtask can be marked and the uncompleted subtasks are not marked. You can see the marking of the tasks. If all tasks are completed, you can add a comment and you can post it. You can design it for every single task, and then the inbox of the tool will show you what are the in the inbox of the tool show you what are the activities that are recently happened. If any overdue in the project, it will be visible. And then coming to the Gantt chart, uh, here you can see the overview of the project. In the overview of the project, you can see the real progress, expected progress, and the critical time. So you can see that all the status of the project is up to the date. Everything, the total task assigned to the each member of the team can be seen here. And then again, coming to the Asana tool, you can see the progress of your each task. Yes, and the progress of our project is we are on track, and you can add comments to this. So basically, this Asana tool is so useful for the creation of project planning. So our blood bank management system is on track, and with the Instagram we can track our progress. Thank you.